how to create a product. Hello, and welcome to Lynx ERP. Today, we will learn how to create a product. To do this, go to Product, then click Add Product. You will now be on the Add Product interface. This page is divided into 6 subsections: Product Info, General Info, Unit Weight and Dimensions, Relations, Vendor, and Product Attributes. Let's dive in and examine each section step by step. First, we have the Product Information section. Please note that any field marked with an asterisk is mandatory. Let's start with the Product Information section. In this section, you have Name, enter product name. Enter a unique model number for the product. Select the category for the product. Please note that categories can be defined under Products Category, Add Category. Select the UPC. If you don't have the product UPC readily available, simply click on the UPC text and copy and paste the temporary UPC. Name for web. This option lets you show a different product name on your website while maintaining the actual name in your internal records. Alternate SKU. This field is optional, so leave it blank if it doesn't apply. Select the brand of the product. Please note that brands can be defined under Products, Brands, Add Brands. Group ID. This is used for products that have variations, such as the same product available in different colors or sizes. If your product is standard with no variations, you can skip this option. It is mainly used to group similar products for display purposes on the website. Choose the product's unit type. The unit will automatically populate based on the selected unit type. Minimum stock level. This indicates that if the total stock drops below this point, the system will notify you to reorder the product. Maximum stock level. This indicates the highest quantity you should keep in stock to avoid overstocking. It is used for reporting purposes. Note: the minimum and maximum stock levels are used to generate notifications for stock replenishment. Choose the preferred location for storing the product. This will be the default location when a product shipment is received through a purchase order. Enter the retail price of the product. Note that the retail price always depends on the product's pricing unit. Next, we have the General Information section. In this section, we will discuss various flags for the product. The first flag is taxable. Enable if the product is subject to sales tax. Featured product. This flag indicates that this product will be showcased in the featured section on your website's homepage. Show product on site. Enable this toggle to show or hide the product on your e-commerce store and POS app. Allow free item. Select this option if the product is sold at a price of 0. It is used to add a free item with bulk sales. Can be sold. Enable if the product is available for sale to customers. Can be purchased. Enable if the product can be ordered, eligible for purchase from suppliers. Can be rented. Check if the product is available for rental, for example, rental equipment. Is tool/equipment. Mark whether the product is a tool or equipment. This may affect tracking or depreciation. Is serialized product. Enable if the product requires unique serial numbers, for example, serial numbers on electronic devices. Is product refundable. Indicate whether the product qualifies for return and refund. Include in-stock updates. Enable stock feed for the product. This means the product stock levels will be sent to customers via available communication channels, email or EDI. Is locally manufactured. Check whether the product is made locally. This may affect sourcing or labeling. Is batch tracked. Enable this option if the product is managed by batch numbers, meaning it is produced in bulk and may have an expiry date. Example: selling 100 bottles of ketchup from batch number B2025, expiry December 2025. Price override allowed. Enable manual price adjustments for this product when creating the order. In most cases, the retail price is fixed and can only be changed by the admin. Is special product. These are products for which purchase orders are created upon the customer's special request. Usually, a sales order is created and converted to a purchase order. Note: this type of sales order is not accounted for in the current inventory stream. Is raw material. Check this box if the product is a raw material used in manufacturing. Next, we have product weight and dimensions. This section is where you enter the physical details of your product. Fill in these fields to help with shipping calculations, storage planning, and accurate product listings. Fields to fill out. Width. Enter the product's width in inches. Length. Enter the length of the product in inches. Height. Enter the product's height in inches. Gross weight. Enter the total weight of the product, including packaging, in pounds. Net weight. Enter the weight of only the product itself, excluding packaging, in pounds. Total area. If necessary, enter the total area the product covers in square feet. Useful for large or flat items. Next, we have relations. It is the behavior of the product in relation to the product we are defining. Related products. Here, you can select if there are any other products that are related to the product you are currently adding. This feature enables you to link multiple products together. It is to provide customers with suggestions for additional products when they view or purchase the main product. For example, for wireless earbuds, recommended add-ons could be a protective case or Bluetooth adapter. Upselling options. Upselling options are available in the system to suggest additional products to customers when they purchase a specific item. Users can select products to upsell while selling a particular product. For example, a customer buys a camera, you can offer, add a lens kit and tripod for just $200 more. Tag products. It refers to supplementary products that can be linked to a main product. When a product is tagged with others, those tagged products are automatically included in the sales order whenever the main product is added. For example, a skid is automatically added if tagged with a bag of rice. Moving forward, we have vendor information setup. Select vendor. Choose an existing vendor from the drop-down menu to connect your product to. These are the vendors from whom you will purchase this product. You may select multiple vendors if needed. Each vendor can have a different purchase point. Vendor model number. Enter the vendor-specific model number if applicable. Delivery lead time. Specify the estimated delivery time, for example, 5 business days, to assist in managing inventory expectations. Purchase cost. The total cost to acquire one unit of a product or service from your vendor, including all related expenses such as base price, transportation, packaging, taxes, and handling fees. This helps ensure accurate pricing, profit calculations, and the automatic creation of purchase orders. Note: you can add multiple vendors and also remove them. Next, we have product attributes. Here, you can choose the product's attributes, such as color and size, product description, and additional notes. In this section, you can provide a brief overview of your product to display on the product page of the website. Highlight the key features and benefits of your product to showcase on the product page of your website. Include care instructions for your product to be displayed on the product page of the website. Add internal notes for reference, visible only to your internal team. Once all information is complete, click Save to successfully add your product. You will then be redirected to Manage Products. This concludes our tutorial on creating a product in Lynx ERP. You now know how to create your products in Lynx ERP. You now need to view the Managing Units video to fully understand how different units and their costing and pricing mechanisms work during the sales or purchase process. Thank you for your time, and thanks for watching.